Hello there, I'm Jeff Ramon, and for my instructional video, I'm going to demonstrate how to use Microsoft Word to create a flowchart. Flowcharts are a great way to map out ideas, and I'm going to show you how to map out a website's navigation with Word. It's a good idea to logically map out how you want users to navigate through your website before you actually build it. This helps you, or you and your team, assess its usability to your audience before the website is created. I'm going to map out the navigation of a simple portfolio website that I could build for myself. Come up here to the top ribbon and click on Insert. Then click on Shapes. Click on the shape that you want, hold the mouse down, and draw out your shape. You can add labels to them by adding a text box. You can add a text box by clicking up here on the top ribbon and clicking on Text Box. You can also select it from the Shapes menu. I'm just going to click right here. Draw out your text box with your mouse. You can then fill your text box with color by clicking on Shape Fill. If you'd like, you can center your text by highlighting it, then coming up here to Home, then clicking right here on the center text icon. The Format panel comes up here when you double-click on a shape. There's a lot that you can do with it, so I wanted to point it out briefly. As you can see, there's many options. I am going to click this X up here to remove it and ignore it for now. I want to show you how to complete the flowchart. So now I'd like to add some arrows to show you how the user can navigate through my site. Come up here to Shapes and select an arrow from the same menu. I'm going to use the double arrow to show that I want the user to be able to come from my landing page to the other pages of my site and back to my landing page. You can use grid lines if you like, if you get picky about straight lines like me. Come here to View, like I just did, then select Grid Lines. As you can see, that's pretty straight. So I'm going to come up here, uncheck the box, and I'm going to go back to Home to get out of that view. Okay, so I'm going to add 3 arrows like this and 3 shapes like this to indicate 3 pages of my website. Now take a look at here. When you use a shape a lot, it goes into the recently used shapes section of this menu. So you can get really picky with these grid lines. I'm going to try to improve my lines a little bit. Okay, there we are. Okay. So there you have it. A basic flowchart that demonstrates a simple portfolio website's navigation. Keep in mind, there are all kinds of shapes you can add to a document in Word using the processes that I showed you. I hope that you found my example interesting and useful. So that's all there is to this demonstration. Goodbye for now, and have a great day.